In this particular video, we're going to talk about ACL treatment and what the options are for ACL injuries. If you've had an ACL injury, one of the most important questions is, do you need to have surgery? What treatment options are there? And how quickly can you get back to your sports? So how we treat your ACL injury depends on what you need to get out of your knee. If you're doing pivoting sports, such as netball or football or rugby, hockey or even skiing, and you've also torn more structures in your knee, such as the cartilage or meniscus, it often means that surgery might well be the best option for you. If you are more focused on straight line activities and don't want to do pivoting sports and your knee doesn't give way, then we can treat you and consider treating you non-operatively, and there are newer techniques such as bracing in which we can help with that. What if you decide you're going to have surgery? What does this look like? There are ACLs, a ligament connecting the thigh bone to the shin bone, and we tend to replace this ligament with a graft, and this graft can either be from you, either the hamstrings or the patella tendon or the quadriceps tendon, and sometimes even from a donated piece of tissue, an allograft. This graft is inserted into your knee and fixed with buttons and screws. The next several months after the surgery is all about allowing this ligament to heal to you, to be strong enough to cope with you doing twisting sports and pivoting activities. On the day of your ACL surgery, you'll come into hospital. This is often done as a day case. You'll have a thorough assessment by the nurses and the doctors you will meet on the day, and we'll run through the procedure again. You'll go down to the anaesthetic room and you'll be anaesthetized with a general anaesthetic and some local anaesthetic or nerve blocks in your knee. You'll wake up in the recovery, hopefully relatively comfortably. You will be given painkillers and you'll be kept comfortable. And once you're back in your room, physiotherapy and exercises will begin straight away. Once you're walking, and the physiotherapist will take you through walking, and you're comfortable walking up and down stairs and are happy with your new ligament and the way your knee's moving, you'll be discharged either that day or the next morning. The first couple of weeks you'll be using crutches, sometimes a brace support if we've done more than just simple straightforward ACL surgery. If we repaired the cartilage, etc., you may well be in a knee brace. It's often that you're not allowed to drive for the first 3 or 4 weeks while your knee gets strong. And during this time, physiotherapy, getting the knee straight, getting the extension and the swelling down is important. The next several months after this is all about physiotherapy and strength work to get full range of movement with a gradual increase in your activities, from walking to jogging to running to jumping and then pivoting, and then sport-specific exercises with your physiotherapist. Often it can take 9 to 12 months to get back to the full level of sports once you've achieved tests that we perform, a whole battery of tests to make sure the knee and you are safe to return back to your level of sports.